Today, I'm gonna show you 3 of my top fabrics for applique patches. Plus, if you stick with me until the end, I'm gonna show you a shiny, shimmery bonus. All right, here we go, guys. Fabric number 1, PU leather. It stands for polyurethane or fake leather. Doesn't come from cows. With this funky grain and texture, we can create patches that stand out from the rest. You could put patches on your travel bags, on your hats, on your vests, on any type of apparel. As a matter of fact, this type of leather is so versatile. I'd like you guys to check out this other episode where I did a beautiful cosmetic bag monogrammed it using the robot frame, some cover up, the perfect stick, and waterable soluble stabilizer. Fabric number 2. We have this cotton poly blend over here. It comes so thin and transparent that what we do is we take some hot fix over here and apply it with an iron to the back. You see how shiny that is? To make it much more sturdier. Patches are gonna come out really nicely with this poly blend of cotton. On to fabric number 3, wool felt. This is one of my favorites because it's so nice and warm and fuzzy. With this one, the tip is to pre-wash it ahead of time so that your fabric doesn't shrink after you create your patches. And now for that shiny, shimmery bonus that I promised you. That's right, we're gonna be using HTV vinyl, but we are not gonna heat it up to apply it. We're gonna utilize it as applique. You'll see how that works when we're embroidering. Go back to the first episode on this series on patches and check out this applique patch I made over there with 100% cotton felt. And by the way, guys, if you want to continue learning cool tips and tricks and awesome hacks from Miss Janet and I in person, join us at Deco Summit where we will be teaching live. Get your tickets at decosummit.com. See you there. Why don't we just get this one started and learn how to hoop our batch master? For those of you already following, you know that we take 2 layers of water mesh and sandwich 1 layer of batch master in between. This is how we make our magical patches. Once you have it squared away on the bottom part of your hoop, grab the top of your mighty hoop and let the magnet do the fun. Ready to go? Today, we're gonna be embroidering in our assortment of silver color applique fabrics, this little queen bee. If you know, you know. All right, I've already preset my hoop to be the D hoop on the machine, and I preset all my color stops, including the offset. We're gonna be rolling at 800 stitches per minute, and we're gonna insert our hoop. Great, let's enter embroidery mode and trace. And we're ready to roll. Put the fabric. Now onto fabric number 2. And now for my fuzzy Mr. number 3. Okay guys, now for our glittery vinyl. The trick with this one is to peel the plastic covering off of our fabric. Boom. Wow, these came out really cool. Check them out. And now my favorite part, the cleanup. As always, unhoop them. And remember our cutting hack. We're gonna take the excess first. There we have them. For the hack part, remember, we do slits all around. Because we use the water mesh and the batch master as our backing, Today, we're not gonna be using the hot knife. Instead, we're gonna be using the bowl of warm water with our microfiber cloth to clean out the edges of our patches. And there we go, our last one. Now, all we have to do is clean the jump stitches on the back and prep the patches for our iron-on application. Okay guys, and now we're gonna clean the jump stitches. Okay, that's it, nice and smooth, no jump stitches in the back. Now go ahead and do the rest of them. All right guys, now onto the process of actually turning these babies into iron-on patches. For that, we're gonna be using the Ultra Hold. I already pre-cut mine into 4x4 squares, and I recommend that you use a piece of Teflon on your pad so that the adhesive doesn't stick to it. Here we go. We're gonna take our clean back of our patch and place it onto the Teflon. We're gonna take our Ultra Hold, and the rough side, this extra texture, is gonna go down onto the patch. Next, we're gonna be fusing them using heat. A few seconds should suffice to create a good bond. And now we're gonna cut. It comes out hot, so be careful. And voila, this is already a ready to go iron-on patch. All we have to do is peel the paper backing and iron it onto our favorite garment, backpack, hat, or anywhere else we'd like to place it. Now let's do the same with the rest of them. Use this clever hack whenever you want to refresh your old designs and make them look like brand new ones. And do me a favor guys, if you are watching until now and you got that reference from the beginning about this particular design, let me know that you know by leaving me a hashtag, put a ring on it, diamond emoji. That's it for today folks. As usual, if you love what we do for you here in the channel, hit that like button. Please subscribe to help us grow to 2,000 subscribers. And turn on that notification bell so that you'll always stay up to date with the latest episode, because there's a world of creativity waiting for you right here at Ricoma Crafts. Until the next time.